Oh shit. What's up guys, it's the son from the Mother&Son Co and I'm back with another home appliance. Yes, I am buying a lot of home appliances and this is actually MI robot vacuum Mop-P. So this is very cool and ये हमने I think इस साल की मार्च अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई या अगस्त ऐसे में कभी हमने मंगाया था, but this got delayed and here's the clip जब हमने order किया था. Okay guys, so the date today is 17 June 2020 and we just ordered ourselves the MI robot vacuum Mop-P. So this is about to get launched on September 15th, but we just made the payment for this. Let's open this bad boy up. Nice. So this is just a box, robot vacuum cleaner, and then all of the सारी चीजें जो डब्बे में हैं. Great. Are you kidding me? डब्बे में डब्बा. Okay. Wow. This is heavy. And this is what the robot looks like. Okay. So we have some official MI की taping going on. That's nice to see. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's do it this way. Ta-da! It's another dabba ke andar dabba. I feel like, okay. This is some normal paperwork. Okay, so this is the main unit. It actually looks like a weighing scale. And it's not that heavy, but it's also not that light. Ooh, okay, so reveal time. Ooh, it's shiny. मतलब इस पे thumbprints वगैरह आएंगे. This is really cool. This is really nice. This is some next gen futuristic stuff. I like it. और इसके tires, ooh, that's nice. And then इसके नीचे यहाँ पे brushes हैं, हाँ brushes हैं. Okay, what else is in the box? We have a microfiber cloth. We have a adapter. I'm assuming this is the filter जो इसमें लगेगा. And then this is the charging dock जिसको ज़मीन पे लगाना है and then ये automatically जाके उस पे खुद को charge कर लेता है, which is really cool. And that is it all जो डब्बे में है. Now I'll have to assemble it. Oh wait, ये भी है. What is this? ये मैं भूल गया बोलना.
इसका नाम रख देना. पता क्या नाम रखना है? बता, मैंने सोचा भी अभी.
रामलाल.
नहीं.
गोलू.
क्यों?
छोटू.
अरे क्यों? हाँ कह सकते हैं. जूनियर.
तो this is actually a dry and wet वाला. तो here's the wet part. पोछे के लिए. क्योंकि ये झाड़ू भी लगाएगा and then ये पोछा भी लगाएगा. तो this is the पोछे वाला part. It has the microfiber attached to it already. And then I'm assuming ये ऐसे जाके नीचे से कहीं जुड़ेगा. I'll अभी करूँगा बस. We have the warranty policy and then we have some extra brushes for the sides. I'm assuming. And that is actually it. Okay, this is the main charging dock and then this is the adapter जो यहाँ side में जुड़ेगा. And then I'll have to plug it in a wall. And then ये यहाँ पे direct जाके अपने आप automatically connect हो जाएगा. Okay, so apparently ये जो एक ब्रश है ये इसमें एक ही लगेगा, which is very weird. तो I'll just have to plug it in like this. What? Okay, इसके अंदर से एक ये निकला है and I'm assuming इसके अंदर ये जाएगा. I hope it's visible. I just have to slide this in like this. Done. तो this part is actually 2-in-1 with wet and dust वाला जिससे झाड़ू पोछा दोनों होगा and this is only the झाड़ू वाला. Okay, so according to me ये पूरा ready है and मैं mopping के लिए इसको setup नहीं कर रहा, otherwise I would have to install this as well, but I'll show you how to install this. Keep this robot like this and then you just have to slide this while holding these buttons. And that is how you install the mopping वाला. Oh, it's on. Okay, मैंने 3 सेकंड के लिए बटन दबाया था and now it's on. But how will you clean, boy?
Turning on. Please place the vacuum mop on the floor to start.
Oh shit. Okay, it's on. Let's go. I guess I'll. Ooh. Oh damn. Oh nice. It's working. His first steps. I love it. Ouch! 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 Okay. This is so futuristic. What the hell? By the way, it has a sensor here, so as you can see, it tries not to hit himself. I mean, he is hitting himself. And that's a loud fan, bro, on this. Ooh, boy, bye. Oh, jhatke, oh, jhatke. Okay, so till the time he does his little thing, I'll set up his, charging spot. So this is his charging spot. This is supposed to be on ground, and this is obviously supposed to be in wall. So it'll just come here and stick itself and start charging by himself. Okay, now I'll shut this off and
Has been paused.
yeah, thank you. And now I'll see what happens if I tap the home button. Does it go there automatically or what? Ooh. Okay, right now I'll place it in front of the dock and then let's see what happens. I think it's trying to sense the dock, if I'm not wrong. Okay, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh wow, dude, that's future. That's future. Go on, go on. Huh? Oh my god, bro.
Starting to charge.
That's amazing! And that is going to be it for the unboxing video of the MI Robot Vacuum Mop-P. And this is actually really cool, and I still have to set the app up because through that I can map the whole house and this guy will learn the whole house. So that is pretty cool, and as you guys saw, I unboxed it, I assembled it, I showed you guys how this works, and it's pretty cool, and I hope it lives up to my expectations. And that is going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new, and I'll put this guy back into his charging spot. Bye!